3 years ago, I started using Blender and I was terrible at it. But fast forward back to today and I definitely feel like I improved since I started. So that's why I'll be recreating the first scenes I ever made in Blender from the easiest one to the hardest one. The first scene I'm going to be recreating is this one, where it looks like I try to make a sword, but instead it looks like a blue Dorito that was stretched too much. Anyway, I first got a reference and then started extruding the faces of the cube to make it into the shape of a sword, which made the sword look way better than just putting a cone on top of a cube. And after giving the sword some more color, it was looking like a basic sword. But I had a way to make it look even better. The next scene I'm going to be recreating is this one. It's supposed to be a car, and I guess it has some resemblance to a car, like having wheels, but the similarities end there. This time, I wanted to model a real-life car, so I got the reference for a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, and I started modeling it one side at a time, which felt like an idiot-proof plan at first. So I was really confused when I finished modeling and I saw this extremely thick car instead of a Camaro.
Damn, boy, he's thick!
And for this final scene, I'm going to be recreating this forest that I tried to make here. My old system for making a forest was just to put down some trees on a boring old plane and call it a day. But this time, I wanted to make the forest more realistic, so I added a plane and I subdivided it so I could be able to add more detail than just having a flat plane. Next, I got a tree model and I used Blender's particle system to place over 30,000 trees all over my terrain. And with a good rendering engine and a sky, this forest looks pretty good.